Italy has triggered a diplomatic row by announcing that the two Italian Marines accused of killing two Indian fishermen will not return to India. The Marines were allowed to return home for the second time in 3 months to vote in the elections after signing an undertaking with the Supreme Court that they would return to India and face trial. Will the government now take this issue of breach of trust internationally?
These two Italian Marines were last seen leaving the country in February with a promise that they will return for their trial in the murder of two Indian fishermen. But once home, Italian authorities have now breached India's trust. In a strongly worded statement, Italian Foreign Ministry has refused to hand them over to India, in fact accusing India of violating international law obligations.
The audacity of the Italian decision not to send back the Italian Marines to India is definitely going to create a huge controversy and a lot of discussions in the Indian legal, social and political circles. This would definitely be seen as a direct challenge and insult to the Indian judicial system, which was generous enough to allow the Italians to go home not once but twice.
For the family of the murdered fishermen, Italy's new stance has squashed their hopes of justice. While Italy has triggered off a massive diplomatic dispute with this day, the question is, why were these under-trial Marines allowed to go home for the second time in the last 3 months? And more importantly, will government take this matter up internationally? Bureau Report, Times Now.